Restricted until further notice. Check-in will take place in Terminal 1 now. Achtung bitte, Flughafen gibt bekannt, dass alle Ankünfte zurzeit im Terminal 1 stattfinden. Attention please. Airport announces that all arrivals are currently in Terminal 1.
So once we do get underway and they do start the safety demonstration, we would appreciate a moment of your time for that. Have the pleasure of flying you to London. Joining me in the flight deck is Captain Ian Wilson and your in-flight manager looking after you in the cabin.
pleasure to welcome you all aboard today's flight to London's Heathrow Terminal 3. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst you are on board. This includes toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We're pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all our Executive Club members to enjoy on board today's flight. To connect to the BA Wi-Fi or join the Executive Club, visit shop.ba.com where you can access free messaging and discover more offers available. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination, or tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky, read the digital version of High Life magazine free via the .air Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic device. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for you to use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveller, we'll be serving our pre-purchased item from our High Life Cafe. We will then be serving a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will be followed by our High Life Cafe service. If you'd like to purchase from a selection of High Life Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to the BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available, or refer to the menu card in your seat pocket. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. Thank you and welcome. Crew seats for landing. The local time here is approaching 8 o'clock in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Please check you have all your personal belongings with you before you leave the aircraft. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you are connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If it's not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs to flight connections. If you require any assistance here at London's Heathrow Airport, please speak to one of our ground colleagues. We'll be happy to help. For those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft this evening, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you further. On behalf of all of us on board at British Airways, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us this evening, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your evening.